Hello, I Had Cancer family. My name is Anna and I am the voice and the blogger behind My Cancer Chic. I did have breast cancer when I was 27 and now on my platform I share all about beauty and style and self-love and thriving after cancer. So I am back this year with the second annual Halloween tutorial. So I have my hair back. This is 3 years of hair growth, but the tutorial is going to be perfect for you whether you have hair or not. So we're going to dig into the deer tutorial and I'm going to do a sneak peek of some of the steps, and then you can swipe up to get the whole tutorial on the I Had Cancer blog with more photos and more details. So let's get started. I have covered my face with foundation and I've done my brows really dark. That's the only thing you need to get started. Then we're gonna go in with bronzer to really darken up the edges here and this part as well. I'm also gonna come down the nose with the bronzer as well. So let me show you what that's gonna look like. I'm gonna start with a big fluffy brush. I'm coming in with this really dark color here and I am just gonna start layering it on because I really want to create those shadows. I'm coming in here. Oh yeah, this is getting good. Definitely would not wear this out like this, but this is obviously perfect for the look we're going for. Then I'm gonna come in with a smaller fluffy brush, something kind of like this, a contour brush in the same color, but this time I'm gonna come in down here and down the nose, and you can see now I'm getting that perfect nose contour that I want for this deer look. And I can clean it all up, but I'm gonna start in that crease and come all the way down. Ooh, yep. And I may actually go in and with a smaller brush, more like an eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna go up here and blend it into the eye there. Oh yeah. And don't worry about the bottom of the nose because we're gonna come in and do that with a black. I really just wanna kind of start by creating the shadows here on the eyes and up here like this way. You can see I'm creating those nice lines there. So next I'm going to come in with this really tiny lip brush and my Anastasia Dip Brow, which I use for my brows. I want to create some fun little hair-like looks on the brows. So I'm just going to get more of this color on there, and then I'm just going to do a few streaks of hair right here on the brows. So it doesn't really matter if they're exact, but you can see it really looks like hair strokes. They got really bushy in there. So next I'm going to do the nose and the eyes, which is going to be with a black pot of eyeliner. So I'm going to use this brush and this angled brush, and I'm going to go in with this, and I'm going to do the eye, a cat eye here, and then I'm going to do the bottom. So hang tight, I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so here's what I've got on the nose so far. I'm going to go up a little bit further. I'm just applying it with this lipstick brush, and again, this is just an eyeliner pot, and I'm going to curve up a little bit, and then I'm just going to keep filling this in until it has the shape that I like. So now that I've got the nose shape how I want it, I'm going in with some more of that darker contour color to really bring that nose line all the way up and down on the side. So now I went ahead and did the top eye on this side, and I'm going to repeat on the other side, and then I'm going to do the bottom for you all. Okay, so now I've got both tops done, and then I did the bottom. Now on the bottom, you'll notice I came out and I didn't connect on the bottom. I actually made these little strokes out, and you can do that with a nice fine tip felt eye pen. I'm gonna do the same on the other side. So now I've got both of the eyes done. It's time for me to come in with all my white for my spots. So I'm using this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in white, and it is so handy. I actually used it for the ears that I made as well for my headband, and I'll show you guys those shortly. So here's the start of my white dots, and now I'm gonna create the line down the nose. And I'm gonna start with a really narrow line, and I'm gonna thicken that up so it makes the nose and everything go up more like that center of the deer face. Okay guys, the makeup part is complete. So I went in with the black on my lip, added a darker contour on the eye and on the sides, and did the highlight underneath the eye. So now let's take a look at the headpiece and the look will be complete. Okay guys, here is the final deer look. You can do this for your Halloween costume for under $20. If you swipe up, you can see the full tutorial, and I hope you guys love this. And please check me out on my account as well, My Cancer Chic, which I'll tag here. Thanks guys, and have an awesome Halloween.